So that's the EMI filter there. I've already removed the lid. Quite easy to access. Basically it's got two incoming wires coming to it from the mains, from your plug, and then the power goes out and obviously goes to the rest of the machine. Usually when you have a motor on an appliance, you need some sort of filter to stop noise that's generated from the motor spinning, obviously, because a motor is similar to a generator. It will generate current and it can feed noise back into your domestic supply. So I put these filters on just to filter out that noise. These can fail, short circuit and blow your fuses and trip your circuit breakers, or they can just go open circuit and obviously you've got no power to the machine. So they're easy to take out. It's just got a screw behind it. I'll pull it out, we'll have a look at the wiring and how to test them. So this is the back side of it. You just go and undo the screw. These clips pull up and then it pulls free. So I'm going to set my tripod up and then I'll do it. So it's a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. Then it pulls up and you should be able to pull it free. So you got your incoming mains and your outgoing mains. So I've got a white one this side and a black one this side, so I'm just going to mark this black one so I know where it goes. The rest of them, it's pretty obvious where they go because that's the set connector. These earths have a special connector on them to stop them from coming off. You have to like pinch them there and then they pull off. And that's it. That's your EMI filter. It tells you on it 470 ohms. So you just test both sides and make sure you got 470 ohms. Sorry, 470 kilo ohms. So I'll set it to 600 kilo ohms range. Connected to one side first. Sorry, I was on 60 then, I should have been on 600. So 472k. Now I'm going to switch over to the next set of post terminals. 470, so spot on. It says 470 on it, so that's close enough for me. So I'll just refit it. Sometimes you can see bulging at the bottom or melting and burn marks all over it, so when they go, you pretty much know when they go. So make sure you put your black cable where you took it from. Then your neutral. Two earths. Make sure they're secure. And then lastly, this. I forgot to mention when I was taking it out that this part faces outwards. You can get that the wrong way around, so make sure, obviously that would be the wrong way, that is the correct way. If you ain't got a mark on it, obviously just mark it with a pen so you know which one faces out. So that is it, that is all done. Make sure all the terminals are fitted correctly. All the earths are tight. And then refit it. So it just hooks in place and then you screw the screw in. And this earths it to the body as well, this screw, so it's important to get it fitted properly. Nice and tight. And that is it, just put the lid back on. Easy job. Just make sure you mark the wires where you need to mark them.